thought I'd do a short video on how to stack the stairs now that they're available. Unfortunately, I only have 11. It would have been ideal to show you 12. So it looks like you can actually fit them well if you pair them together this way. So we pair and we pair, sandwich them, and it will give you better packing space. I didn't do this for my own cup because I was in a hurry, but I was fixing it after I had sorted it and realized there is a good way to fit. There are two ways you can do it. So you can put 4 at the bottom, or possibly a 5th. There it fits, see? But fill up the bottom first with other stuff, and you can then put 6 on top and possibly an 11th at the bottom, and I'll show you how to do that. So this goes with 11. It will actually still close. Hold on, just need to fix this. There you go. And it will close, so you just have to put in your space fillers, and that's not going to be snug, but you know that's why they let you tape it. There you go. Another way to pack it would be for you to line it at the bottom this way. Actually, it's better if the bottom of the stairwell was at that point. It will prevent you from laying out the rest of the stairwells in the middle. You have to put this here already, because then you don't have the back end anymore. So if you need less, this might actually work better for you. There. Then you'd have to sort of do the rest that way. So again, it only fits 11, and then you're going to have to do space fillers. Close. This is easier to close, and then that's it. So 11 stairwells for half a cup will get you going. Okay, for this video, I wanted to show you, or approximately show you, what would 1 cup of the Swordleaf part be. So I stuff this in, and then a good thing is you can actually press it down. So even if you overstuff it, you can still tape it. So let's count how many I have here. And that will give you an idea when you order 1 cup, how many leaves actually are you getting. This is not exact. This might be +5 or less than 5 of what you will get. So this is me just putting it all in 1 cup and counting for you. So basically that's it. Let's see how many we got in there. Okay, we counted 100 to the cup, but then as you can see, it's kind of overflowing after I stuffed it in. Also, the bottom was not full. So what I do is I just fix it at the bottom, and then I put it in. There are also no space fillers. Of course, after you have your 100 leaves, you can actually put some in, and then I try to shake it down. Just remember, space fillers do occupy space. That's the point of it. It's just that they will just squeeze in. So when you order, it might be closer to 85 or 90. Again, I pack it a certain way. So this one gave me 100 leaves in a large cup. Hope this helps you whenever you order or you buy, or when you're trying to project how many you will actually get when you go to a pick-a-brick wall.